This is our day 2 and it's going to be very easy. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Maha. Welcome to day 2 of our English speaking class. If you attend from day 1, that's great. If not, no problem. You can start from today. Now let's make a short overview of a day 1. In day 1, we learned that English is not about memorizing grammar. It's about correct pattern or correct rules that will help you to understand English easily. Today, I will teach you 2 more English basic rules that will help you to speak English confidently from today. Now, before we start, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss my video. Now let's begin. 2 important rules of today. Rule number 1. I want to plus verb. We use this for ambitions, for desires, for interest or a wish. For example, I want to learn English. I want to speak English. I want to practice it daily. I want to be confident. See, English is very easy. You just need the right pattern. Rule number 2. I have to plus verb. We use this for importance or desires. Okay? For example, I have to speak English. I have to speak English confidently. I have to improve my fluency. Now let's make a shadowing practice that will help you to understand these patterns very easily. Please repeat after me. I want to speak English, so I have to practice it daily. I want to learn English and I have to practice it every day. Now let's change into our daily life sentences. Please repeat after me. I want to improve my life, so I have to work on myself. Now let's change into our English for your better clearance. I want to speak English, so I have to practice it every day. See, it's very easy, you just need the right practice, okay? This was our day 2 and in day 3, I will teach you the 2 more basic conversations rules that will help you to understand English very easily. Stay with us. See you in the day 3. Allah Hafiz.